In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one word at a time in Premiere Pro. We'll create a clean, word-by-word reveal using only keyframes, no plugins, so you have full control over timing and pacing. Start by adding your text graphic. Select the text tool by pressing T, click anywhere in the program monitor, and type your full sentence exactly how you want it to appear at the end. Typing the complete sentence first makes the animation smoother and avoids reformatting later. When you're done, place the resulting text clip on your timeline, ideally on a track above your footage. Trim it to a rough duration that matches the length of your intended reveal. You can always adjust timing as you go. Next, open the Effect Controls panel with the text clip selected. If you don't see it, make sure the panel is visible in your workspace. Inside Effect Controls, find the text property and expand it to reveal the source text setting. Click the stopwatch next to source text to enable keyframing. This tells Premiere to remember what the text says at specific points in time and to change it as your playhead moves. Now we animate the reveal word by word. Move your playhead to the moment when you want the first word to be fully visible. In the source text field, replace the full sentence with only the first word. As long as the stopwatch is on, Premiere creates a keyframe for that exact content. Nudge the playhead forward a few frames or seconds, depending on how quickly you want the words to appear. Then update the source text to include the first two words. Premiere adds another keyframe automatically. Keep repeating this pattern. Move forward, add the next word to the existing text, and let Premiere generate a new keyframe. Continue this process until the entire sentence is on screen. As you work, play back the sequence to feel the rhythm. If it's too fast or too slow, drag keyframes left or right to refine the timing without retyping anything. Keep your line breaks consistent to avoid the text jumping between lines. If wrapping changes, slightly reduce the font size or adjust the text box width. For precise pacing, move the playhead in small increments and listen to your music or voiceover for natural beats. When every word is revealed and the timing feels right, review the full animation from start to finish. That's all there is to it, a straightforward, professional, one word at a time effect using source text keyframes in Premiere Pro.